Mwaka wa 2025 agikorwo hena mundu wakorwo agisafa muno ni Karangu Muraya. And if you're talking about Karangu Muraya, you know it's the Karash and TRIZA drama. Again, ino ni season 2. Ni kwari na season 1 kuria kuma haria February, and I think things cooled down, but there is na season 2. Season 2 comprises of a more confident TRIZA. TRIZA ntumonete akiyumiria na ukora riu stand her ground na akiuga ati sheigana ni sheigana. Tumekuwa tukiona kule hivyo akiongea manze boldly, na niakoretwo akirekereria expose shigana ona, na pale hivyo tumekuwa tukiona banters zingine kubwa sana. Now another development ni ati hindi iria kwari na nguri ni augite ati ni aboekete muno riria second wife athiete kurora mwana wake Emmanuel kuria cukuru, na akiashuo na akirwo hau ni Karash ati uhoro ucio ndugecokera ringi. But it happens that ni athire ringi gukorwo akimurora behind TRIZA's back. Na thaa ici uhoro uyu nduboete TRIZA wika, uboete TRIZA hamwe na arata a Karangu Muraya a hakuhi ta Dama wa Spears. Wa Spears arauga ati ndari na thina na Karash in any way, ona ndagikorwo na thina nake in any way, but the fact that second wife areto hau kabiti online drama maundu maingi muno. Kuratuika ati the fact that kabiti ni atigiirwo muthuri ni TRIZA, that shows that TRIZA ni etikirite maundu mothe gutigana na Karash na maundu macio mothe. Then why would kabiti focus on guthikorora mwana wa TRIZA ringi cukuru? Ucio ni undu ona wa Spears hari arauga that should not be happening. Another person tuonete against uhoro ucio na njira imwe nene muno ni Purity. Na Purity ari mwena wa Karangu na njira imwe nene muno, na ari mwena wa uhoro uyu wothe, ndari mwena wa TRIZA, but taici ni tumuonete mwena against kabiti na njira imwe nene muno onake. And the message is also clear that ni watigeirwo mu husband, then tigana na family ya TRIZA, leave alone the kids. Now, is this season 2 of this drama? Na season 2 of this drama igukorwo ihana ati? Mwena uyu ungi TRIZA nake omite na nguri na rauga ati uria mwana wake arenda niguo gukuhanika. From Gorishia from family drama to sha drama to a lot of dramas. Which way for Karangu Muraya? On the other side, Karangu Muraya has chose to remain silent. Tuonete amekuwa very silent on this issue. Previously tuonaga ni aragia, especially after riria tuonire launch ya TRIZA haria Blue Springs, ni akoretwo akiaria na nita after launch hiyo akoretwo like rejuvenating yourself. A lot really changed. Netuonire presence yake online muno, but hii inakaa imempiga banta tena, and we are still waiting to see how he's going to recover from this, because maundu ni mothe maundu no nginya mathi na mbere, lazima mambo iendelee na lazima kukuwe na the next course of action. Anyway guys, need you maoni maku megie uhoro uyu. Will this drama ever end? If it ends, how is it going to be? Comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
de kanaki memwaki dute mafiri jekere mini yori madusko oria wothe gwenda tihoro wena dera igwa hore hehita nosoke umenye dikomaga friji katululu wai katululu enima geideria rere waja asali na wamainira sister Winnie danko gaibia no tiyo gosoka gosugo uwe